Welcome to another Malta Resources travel inspiration video. Today I've arrived at the Ibis West Hotel. This is City West Hotel in Amsterdam. It's an Ibis hotel. Let's see what we have in the room. A nice double bed. Okay, there's a socket for charging. Light. Can regulate the air condition. A very nice setup. Okay, very nice. Television. Okay, this is useful to charge many devices. I did get something. Basically, it's a power cube. That's really not something I did expect. But it's good to find it here and using what I can use. The hotel's on. Alright, some clothes hangers. So here you can put your shirts or t-shirts, etc. Here we have a safe. So now let's check the bathroom. Standard sink, towels underneath, a bin, glasses, and bubbles inside. Face, body and hair. Acting here, Planet 21 Eco label. We have a 220 volt socket for a shaver, and we also have a hair dryer which you can use. Made in Switzerland. Valera. And here we have a toilet. I have a button which flushes the toilet. And here we don't have a noodle head shower, I think. No, it's not a noodle head, but it's a very nice, it's a nice shower. And if you sing in the shower, I think it can rebound well. The sound is very nice to hear. That is, if you sing nicely. And we've got bubbles inside also. We have face, body and hair, again by Acting Here. So that's a good ecological product. So I'm going to stop this video. Here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You can try the video on your left or on the right. On the left or on the right. Bye from Malta Resources at Ibis West Amsterdam.